In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effortlessly create and manage an infinite slider on your Wix site using manage.wix.com and editor.wix.com. Whether you're new to Wix or just need a refresher, the step-by-step guide will walk you through the entire process with ease. To get started, first go to wix.com and log into your account. It's important to ensure you have access to the site you want to edit. Once you're logged in, you'll be able to see all your projects. Next, open the specific site you wish to edit. Navigating to the right project is crucial to avoid any unwanted changes to other sites you might have. Once you've selected your site, click on Edit Site to open the Wix editor. This is your creative space where most of your customization and modifications will take place. Once you're in the editor, navigate to the page where you want your infinite slider to appear. Having a clear idea of its location on your site will help in creating a cohesive design. On the left side of your editor, there's a panel with different tools. Click on Add Elements or the plus icon to see a variety of elements you can integrate into your page. From here, click on Gallery and proceed to Sliders, where you will find different slider options. Click Slider Galleries to explore various styles. Choosing the right slider style is next. A horizontal style is often recommended for infinite sliders as it provides a smoother and more visually appealing experience. Simply drag and drop your chosen slider style into your desired page section. Customization now becomes key to making the slider truly yours. You can replace images to suit your needs by clicking an image and selecting Change Image. You can either upload your own images or select from Wix Media. Rearranging the order of the images by dragging them helps position your content perfectly. Lastly, ensure that you set the container's width and height appropriately for your site's layout. Creating the infinite scroll effect can be a great feature. To do this, select your slider and go to Settings. There you will find the option to toggle Loop Slides on, effectively creating a continuous flow. For a more engaging slider, you might want to set autoplay on and adjust the speed to your preference, often choosing a slower speed to achieve a smoother effect. Testing the responsiveness is crucial. Ensure your slider looks great across different devices, adjusting sizing and spacing as needed. When everything looks polished and feels perfect, it's time to make it live. Click Publish to share your enhanced site with the world, and finally click Done. Congratulations, you've successfully created an infinite slider on your Wix site.